How to clear search history on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can clear your search history on YouTube, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to clear our search history on YouTube, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the YouTube application, then tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called settings. Just go to settings, and once you go to settings, on the next specific page you'll be able to see all this type of options where you have to go to the one that says manage all history, which you see over here. So just make sure to tap on that option, and when you tap on the manage all history button, you'll basically come to this page where you'll be taken to the history tab at the very top. So make sure that you are under it, and then under it you have to scroll down so you can see all our histories over here, right? You can go ahead and simply show history older than this or whatever. So just tap on delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. You can just select delete all time to delete all of your search history as well as your viewing history in this case, and then you'll be able to successfully delete your search as well as your watch history on YouTube. That's all it takes to delete your search or your watch history on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.